Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be talking about AWS global infrastructure, and we'll be also talking about what are regions, availability zones, and edge locations, and how they are connected with each other. So let's go ahead and start. So as you can see in AWS global infrastructure map, there are different regions which are present here. So you can see the regions are mentioned in green, and the other one are the regions which will be coming in the future. So as you can click it, and you can just view like what the region is. And you can also see the other one as well, and the availability zones present within that particular region. So you can see the AWS cloud spans 99 availability zones within 31 geographical regions around the world, with announced plan for 15 more availability zones and 5 more AWS regions in Canada, Israel, Malaysia, New Zealand, and Thailand. So this is what the regions are. So we'll be talking about these definitions just in a few minutes. So let's check the regions here. So click the region, and you can see we have different regions, and you can see here coming to the North America, you can see US West has 4 availability zones, which was launched on 2011, and it has 7 local zones, and so on and so forth. You can see all the related regions and the availability zones present in that particular region. So that is what these regions and availability zones are. So coming to the definition, so region are a separate geographical area where AWS has established its data centers and cloud infrastructure. So each region is designed to be independent and isolated from other regions, providing customers with the ability to run their applications and store their data in a specific region. So each region consists of 2 or more availability zones. That is what like we have seen here. So some have 4, some have 6. So it has 2 or more. So you can see we have 3 availability zones here as well. So that is what the region is. So coming to the definition of availability zone. So availability zone is a physically separated data center within a specific AWS region. So these AZs are designed to be isolated from each other to minimize the risk of single point of failure. So each AZ has its own power, networking, cooling infrastructure. So that is what the definition of availability zone is. And coming to the data center, so a data center is a specialized facility that houses computer servers and other related equipment. So it is centralized location where organizations store, process, manage, and distribute large amounts of data. So coming to the edge locations are specific physical data centers or facilities within AWS global network. So these locations are spread across multiple cities, regions worldwide. So edge locations acts as an endpoint for content delivery and caching. So they help reduce the distance and latency between users and the content they request for storing frequently, accessing the data closer to the end users. So edge locations are where content is cached and delivered to the users quickly. So that is what the meaning of edge locations. So if we talk about these relationship between you know the regions and availability zones and the data center or the edge location. So basically the region consists of multiple availability zones, as we have seen just before, and each availability zone represents a distinct data center. So that is what relationship between these all. So that's it for now. So we have talked about a few components related to AWS global infrastructure, and in coming videos, we'll be talking about more components. So coming to this video, I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.